3 years ago, my mother was diagnosed with colon cancer. It had gone into her lymph system. I was diagnosed with 2 abnormal masses on my liver. My mother had just lost her sister and her mother to colon cancer to the liver. And so I didn't wait around to get the same diagnosis that my own mother had had and her sister and my grandmother. I was highly upset. You know, here I'd had everything here to use, but I wasn't really using it. So I started, and then I found out my adopted brother, who's not related to me at all other than by name because he's been adopted, he developed colon cancer as well. We started him on the program, me on the program, and my mom on the program at the same time. And the program is basically doing the Hulda Clark herbs, black walnut, whole tincture, extra strength, wormwood, and cloves, the combination, making huge lifestyle changes. And we were drinking colloidal silver, started wearing the blood electrification unit for a minimum of 2 hours a day without skipping. And that made sense. I thought, you know, it'll help clean and strengthen my immune system. Started using the something called a magnetic pulsar. It sends a magnetic pulse through your body, and I did that heavily on my liver for 3 weeks, a good couple of hours a day. A lot of crying. You know, you could tell I'm young. I didn't want to die yet, and I live in a nice place. Anyway, started drinking ozone water, freshly made. Started ozonating all my vegetables. Anything that would go in my mouth had to be clean. After 3 weeks, I went in for a CAT scan, and there was nothing on my liver. And that's been over 2 years now. Or yeah, July was 2 years. Since then, we are very careful about what we eat, what we touch, places we go. You know, if we eat out, we'll order something that they have to make fresh, not a burger or something that's been sitting for, you know, who knows how long. I'm feeling great. And you know, it's a challenge. You do want to go to McDonald's when you're hungry. You do want to get a candy bar and those kinds of things. And honestly, I do cheat, you know, sometimes, but that is not my lifestyle. Now it's like when we were children, a candy was a snack. And nowadays, a candy or junk food becomes your staple. You can't live like that any longer. It feels great to feel healthy. I'm the healthiest I've been in my whole life.